This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Laurel Kellett. Just renovated and ready to move in. New kitchen with quartz counters and new cabinets. Refrigerator, stove and dishwasher to be installed before move-in. Freshly painted inside and out with new bathrooms, tile and vinyl flooring, new AC, new roof, new electric water heater, new electric service, newer window wall, fenced backyard, screened-in porch and carport. To apply, gross monthly income must be 2.53x rent, documented by pay stubs or most recent West 2 or tax returns if pay stub not available. Application will include income, criminal and eviction records and credit report, need SSI hash. Agent/owner. For more information, review the details below or contact Laurel Kellett at 407-876-2090.